Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Gmail account to Pipedrive so your emails sync seamlessly with your contacts and deals. This setup helps you manage communication in one place, track conversations more efficiently, and avoid constantly switching between tabs. To get started, open Pipedrive in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Personal Preferences. This section is designed for user-specific settings, meaning any changes you make here will only apply to your account and won't affect your team. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Look for Email Sync and click on it. This is the central place where you connect and manage your email integration. Email Sync allows your Gmail messages to appear directly inside Pipedrive, giving you full visibility of conversations linked to your contacts and deals. It also makes follow-ups much easier, since everything is organized in one place.
Now, click on the option to add a new email account. When prompted, choose the Google or Gmail option. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the correct one that you use for business or client communication. Next, you'll be taken to a secure Google sign-in page. After choosing your account, Google will display a permission screen explaining what Pipedrive is requesting access to. Go ahead and approve these permissions so the integration can function properly. Without granting access, Pipedrive won't be able to sync or display your emails. Once you've approved everything, the connection process will finish automatically. You should see a confirmation message in Pipedrive, and shortly after, your emails will begin syncing. If your inbox is large, the first sync may take a few minutes and emails will appear gradually.
After setup, you can customize how your emails behave inside Pipedrive. For example, you can choose whether emails sync with all contacts or only specific ones, and you can control visibility settings if you're working within a team. Taking a moment to review these options can help you keep your workspace clean and relevant. From this point forward, you'll be able to read, send, and track emails directly within Pipedrive. You can link conversations to deals, maintain context for every interaction, and respond faster without leaving the platform. It's a simple setup, but it can significantly improve your daily workflow and productivity. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Pipedrive occasionally updates its design, but the overall process remains the same. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.